Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add shapes to your document on the Pages application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the browse icon down below and then click on my phone. After that, you should either tap on the create document option and create a new document, or tap on an already existing document. Click on the plus icon at the top of the screen and click on the third option at the top of the screen. Here you can choose from a bunch of shapes. As you can see, these are basic ones, geometrical shapes, objects, animals, nature, food, symbols, education, arts, science, people, places, activities, transport, work, ornaments, and so on. So if you want to insert any of these, just simply click on the relevant one and then you will be able to place it within your document, make it bigger or smaller as well, or rotate it into the other direction. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.